Hi, I'm Pinky. Now this is a short video on loads of laughs. Hope you enjoy. And remember, don't ever stop smiling. Smiling is the joy of me. Without making ponies laugh, I wouldn't have anything to make parties for. Just remember, never stop smiling and having fun. Okay? And this is a few people who haven't. Smiles. Don't ever be like them. Just remember, you are special. And no matter what, smile. Smiling is how I get through my problems. And it might help you. So just smile. It'll make your life so much better. Just smile at everyone. Smile, 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 smile. All I really need is a smile to make my day. Just think. Chain reaction. Start off with your smile. You smile to your friend. Smile. Your friend smile to another friend. Your other friend smile to their parents. Their parents pass it on to their friends, and so on. What if you were the one to make that chain? Wouldn't that make you feel so cool? So awesome? It would make me just want to smile even more. So just smile. Who knows? You might brighten up a day in Canada or America. And if you're already there, then across the country. Okay? Might send a smile to a different country. Who knows?